Week 12. Postures from previous weeks. 1. Lion posture, Simhasana. 2. Finger tension, Hastapawanmukta. 3. Salutation to Sun, Surya Namaskar. 4. Extended side angle posture, UTTHITA PARSHVA KONASANA. 1. Stand in Tadasana. 2. Breathe in. Open legs wide apart. 3. Breathe out. Raise arms parallel to the floor. 4. Breathe in. Bend the left leg until the left thigh is parallel to the floor. 5. Place palm on floor behind left foot. Extend right arm in line with body. Fix gaze on tips of fingers. 6. Hold posture for 2 to 3 breathing rounds. 7. Breathe out. Come back to the standing position. 8. Repeat on the opposite side. 9. Relax.
5. Legs spread forward, bend, hands on waist, PRASARITA PADOTTANASANA. 1. Stand legs together, hands on waist. Breathe out. 2. Breathing in, spread legs wide apart, feet parallel. 3. Breathing out, bend forwards, head raised. 4. Maintain posture. Complete 1 to 2 breathing rounds. 5. Breathing out, bend to try and rest the crown of your head on the floor between your legs. 6. Maintain posture. Complete 2 to 3 breathing rounds. 7. Breathing in, straighten up. 8. Breathe out. Bring legs close together in 1 or 2 hops. 9. Relax. 6. Noose posture, PASASANA. 1. Squat on heels. Breathe in. 2. Breathe out. Twist the body towards the left. The upper body stays touching the left thigh. 3. Raise the right arm and place it on the outer side of the left shin. 4. Wrap the right arm around the shins. 5. Bring the left arm around the back to take hold of the right hand. 6. Twist the upper body towards the left, using the right arm as support, and turn the head towards the left. 7. Maintain posture. Complete 3 to 5 breathing rounds. 8. Release arms and come back to squat. 9. Repeat posture on the opposite side. 10. Relax. Once the daily series is over, meditate for 15 to 30 minutes. Then relax, for 5 minutes in corpse posture, Shavasana.